So, you want to play Trackmania with your friends. Now, in Trackmania, there's a few ways you can do this. The first way you can do this is by going to Play, select Live, and then go to Ranked. From here, you can click on Ubisoft Connect and invite any one of your friends. Another way you can do that is by going to Arcade and joining one of the rooms. Now, as long as you and your friend join the same room, you'll be in the same server. Or alternatively, you yourself can join a room, go to the menu, and invite your friend directly. Now, as of recording this video, we have weekly shorts, and it is very much like rooms in Arcade. You first go into the weekly shorts, and then you join the room. And then from there, you can go to the menu and invite a friend. Now let's say you built a map and you want to play it with your friend. This task is very simple. You first go to clubs, then you click on create your club, then you can name your club, add a tag if you want to, and I don't think it really matters if you have it public or private as long as you have it to accept requests. Once you have the club named, then you can go ahead and create the club. Once the club is created, you can click on the plus, click on rooms, click on select tracks, and now you can upload any one of your tracks that you have. Then from here, you can name the room. I don't think it matters if the room is public or private, as long as your friends are able to join through invite. Once you're done setting up the room, you can click create, wait a few seconds, and now you can simply join the room and invite your friends. I'll also show you how to delete the club once you're done with it. You can go to Administration, Edit Club, and then simply Delete Club. And that's how you can play with your friends in Trackmania. Now, I don't normally make tutorial videos, but if you want to see the random kinds of videos that I do make, then subscribe. That would be very helpful, thank you. Anyways, bye-bye!